This is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti. Released back in late 2017, the 1070 Ti sold for about $450 US. Now you can pick one of these up used on eBay for under $300. But should you? I hope to answer that question and more in this video, so let's jump straight into it. Taking a look around the card, you'll notice I have the EVGA for the Win 2 edition. This is one of the higher end cards you can get, but most of the stuff I say in this video will apply to all the variants of the 1070 Ti. For I/O, you get 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, and a DVI connector for some reason. Power is supplied through the 2 8-pin connectors on top of the card. Speaking of power, you'll need a minimum of 500 watts to run this card. Specific to the For the Win 2 edition card, the fan gets kind of loud at the default configuration, but this can be adjusted in the software. The base 1070 Ti ships with a default boost clock of 1683 MHz, 8GB of GDDR5, and a CUDA core count of 2432, compared to the 1920 core count on the 1070. Moving on to the benchmarks, we'll be pairing the 1070 Ti with the Ryzen 7 1700X CPU at stock clock speeds, and 16GB of DDR4. So I'm going to stop talking and let you watch the benchmarks now.
UAV entering the AO. Setting charge.
And they say, meteor strike.
Having seen the benchmarks, I'll let you decide if it's still worth the money or not. But if you want my opinion, I think it's an excellent value. I paid $200 for this card and I have yet to complain. Most of the games I've tested are able to reach 144 FPS if you're willing to lower some settings. But that about wraps it up for this one. So if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like. And if you don't want to miss any future content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Also, be sure to follow me on social media for behind the scenes, early previews, and more. But as always, I hope to see you in the next video. So until next time, later.